Welcome to Real Life Truth, where we delve into the raw realities of relationships, intimacy, and self-discovery. In today's episode, we're exploring 45 innovative ways to foster open communication and ignite passion in your relationship. From sensual surprises to heartfelt gestures, join us as we uncover the secrets to creating authentic connection and fulfilling intimacy. Let's dive in. 1. Societal expectations. Traditional gender roles and societal norms may discourage women from initiating sex due to expectations about femininity, modesty, or passivity. 2. Fear of rejection. Just like men, women may also fear rejection or feel vulnerable when making the first move. This fear can stem from concerns about being judged or not receiving a positive response. 3. Communication issues. Lack of communication or unclear signals between partners can hinder initiation. Both partners may hesitate to initiate if they're unsure of each other's desires or boundaries. 4. Personal preferences. Some individuals may simply prefer to be pursued rather than taking the lead themselves. This preference can vary widely among individuals and may not be tied to gender. 5. Relationship dynamics. The dynamics within a relationship can influence initiation patterns. For example, if one partner typically takes the lead in initiating sex, the other partner may become accustomed to this dynamic and be less likely to initiate themselves. 6. Explore fantasy and desire. Encourage discussions about fantasies and desires to ignite excitement and inspiration for initiating sex. 7. Create a welcoming atmosphere. Ensure your home environment is conducive to intimacy by keeping it clean, comfortable, and free from distractions. 8. Express appreciation. Acknowledge and express gratitude when your partner initiates sex, reinforcing positive behavior. 9. Initiate non-verbal communication. Use body language, subtle touches, and gestures to signal your desire and make your partner feel desired. 10. Initiate playfulness. Incorporate playful flirting and teasing into your interactions to create a lighthearted and fun atmosphere. 11. Prioritize emotional connection. Strengthen emotional intimacy through meaningful conversations, shared experiences, and acts of kindness to deepen the bond between you and your partner. 12. Explore new activities. Engage in new activities or hobbies together to spark creativity and passion, which can translate into increased sexual desire and initiation. 13. Be attentive to timing. Pay attention to your partner's cues and moods, choosing moments when they seem relaxed, receptive, and in the mood for intimacy. 14. Initiate outside the bedroom. Sexual initiation doesn't always have to happen in the bedroom. Surprise your partner with a flirtatious gesture or proposition in unexpected settings. 15. Practice active listening. Listen attentively to your partner's verbal and nonverbal cues to better understand their desires and preferences. 16. Encourage vulnerability. Create a safe space for your partner to express their vulnerabilities and insecurities surrounding sex, fostering trust and intimacy. 17. Seek mutual satisfaction. Focus on mutual pleasure and satisfaction during sexual encounters, prioritizing your partner's needs and desires alongside your own. 18. Embrace spontaneity. Be open to spontaneous moments of intimacy, seizing opportunities for connection and pleasure as they arise. 19. Explore erotica and media. Share erotic literature, movies, or media that align with both of your interests, providing inspiration and ideas for sexual exploration. 20. Practice sensual touch. Initiate non-sexual physical affection and sensual touch outside of sexual encounters to build anticipation and intimacy. 21. Be mindful of health and wellness. Prioritize self-care, exercise, and healthy lifestyle habits to maintain physical and mental well-being, which can positively impact sexual desire and initiation. 22. Celebrate sexual diversity. Respect and celebrate the diversity of sexual desires, interests, and orientations, embracing your partner's unique sexuality without judgment. 23. Seek professional support. If issues surrounding sexual initiation persist, consider seeking guidance from a qualified therapist or sex counselor to address underlying concerns and improve communication. 24. Practice gratitude. Express gratitude for your partner's efforts and initiatives in the bedroom, reinforcing a positive and supportive dynamic. 25. Focus on connection. Prioritize emotional connection and intimacy as the foundation for fulfilling sexual experiences, fostering a deeper bond between you and your partner. 26. Practice mindfulness together. Engage in mindfulness exercises or meditation as a couple to cultivate present moment awareness and enhance intimacy. 27. Plan romantic getaways. Surprise your partner with planned romantic getaways or weekend trips to create opportunities for intimate connection away from daily stressors. 28. Experiment with role-playing. Explore role-playing scenarios that allow both partners to step into different personas and fantasies, adding excitement and novelty to sexual initiation. 29. Initiate through text or notes. Send flirtatious texts, love notes, or suggestive messages throughout the day to build anticipation and communicate your desire for intimacy. 30. Celebrate milestones. Mark relationship milestones or special occasions with thoughtful gestures, gifts, or surprises that reinforce your connection and desire for each other. 31. Explore sensory stimulation. Experiment with sensory stimulation such as scented candles, massage oils, or ambient music to heighten arousal and create a more sensual atmosphere. 32. Prioritize self-exploration. Encourage both partners to explore their own bodies and desires through solo masturbation, fostering a deeper understanding of what brings them pleasure. 33. Initiate mutual masturbation. Introduce mutual masturbation into your sexual repertoire, allowing both partners to actively participate in each other's pleasure and arousal. 34. Attend workshops or classes. Explore workshops or classes focused on intimacy, communication, or sexual wellness as a couple to deepen your connection and learn new techniques. 35. Initiate with a shared bath or shower. Invite your partner to join you for a relaxing bath or shower, creating a sensual and intimate environment for sexual initiation. 36. Incorporate aphrodisiac foods. Experiment with aphrodisiac foods such as chocolate, strawberries, or oysters to tantalize the senses and enhance sexual desire. 37. Initiate through dance. Share a spontaneous dance together, allowing the rhythm and movement to awaken your sensual desires and pave the way for sexual initiation. 38. Practice sensory deprivation. Explore sensory deprivation techniques such as blindfolds or restraints to heighten anticipation and intensify sexual pleasure during initiation. 39. Create a sexual bucket list. Collaborate on a sexual bucket list of fantasies or experiences you both want to explore together, keeping the excitement and anticipation alive. 40. Initiate through creative writing. Write erotic stories or fantasies together, exploring shared desires and fantasies as a form of foreplay and sexual initiation. 41. Share sexual fantasies. Foster an open and non-judgmental environment for sharing sexual fantasies, encouraging exploration and experimentation within the relationship. 42. Initiate through mutual grooming. Offer to groom or pamper your partner, such as giving them a massage, shaving, or applying lotion as a way to initiate physical intimacy. 43. Explore tantric practices. Learn about tantric practices and techniques that emphasize prolonged pleasure, intimacy, and connection between partners. 44. Initiate role reversal. Experiment with role reversal dynamics where your partner takes the lead in initiating sexual activity, allowing for a shift in power dynamics and arousal. 45. Prioritize emotional connection. Cultivate emotional intimacy through deep conversations, shared experiences, and expressions of love and appreciation, laying the foundation for fulfilling sexual initiation. 46. Prioritize emotional connection. Strengthen emotional intimacy through meaningful conversations, shared experiences, and acts of kindness to deepen the bond between you and your partner. 47. Explore new activities. Engage in new activities or hobbies together to spark creativity and passion, which can translate into increased sexual desire and initiation. 48. Be attentive to timing. Pay attention to your partner's cues and moods, choosing moments when they seem relaxed, receptive, and in the mood for intimacy. 49. Initiate outside the bedroom. Sexual initiation doesn't always have to happen in the bedroom. Surprise your partner with a flirtatious gesture or proposition in unexpected settings. 50. Practice active listening. Listen attentively to your partner's verbal and nonverbal cues to better understand their desires and preferences. 51. Encourage vulnerability. Create a safe space for your partner to express their vulnerabilities and insecurities surrounding sex, fostering trust and intimacy. 52. Seek mutual satisfaction. Focus on mutual pleasure and satisfaction during sexual encounters, prioritizing your partner's needs and desires alongside your own. 53. Embrace spontaneity. Be open to spontaneous moments of intimacy, seizing opportunities for connection and pleasure as they arise. 54. Explore erotica and media. Share erotic literature, movies, or media that align with both of your interests, providing inspiration and ideas for sexual exploration.